Need to request bulk pickup, report a lost animal, a pothole or a damaged sign, or even cancel or request a bus ride? There's an app for that. Today I'll show you how to use the SeeClickFix app on your Android phone. If you don't have the app, go to your iTunes or Google Play stores on your smartphone and type in SeeClickFix. Click the word install to begin the download process. Once it is downloaded, click on the app to open it. The app will open to the Place tab where you can do various things such as call transit, view road closings, pay utility bills or traffic fines, view meetings, apply for a job, watch videos, or look at our social media pages. Notice the other three buttons on the bottom of the app screen. You can look at your profile, view issues in the city of Enid, or report. Let's request a bus ride. Let's click on the left button at the bottom of the screen entitled Report. Notice when you begin the reporting process, you can select Camera to take a photo, select Gallery to select a photo previously taken, or if you do not have a photo to add, just skip that part. Then select the location. You can use your current location if the issue is right there, or you can type in a location. We will select the current location. Let's click on the blue button to select the category. We will select EPTA bus request. Notice that it brings up debris in roadway. The system has found an issue reported at the same location before. Since this request is not the same request, we will continue with our request. If this was the same request, we would just discontinue this request. So let's continue. Fill in all the information, details, rider name, address, phone number, date and time of pickup, number of people traveling, and the rest of the information. When you finish entering all the information, click the Submit button. Now your request has been submitted. You can now go back and look at the details of your request. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. Join me next time for more tech tips. I'm Derrick Silas.